So hello guys. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use SD card storage as internal storage. So, let's get started. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to like me video. This is for Android users. First, go to Settings. Go to About Phone. Then tap the phone or Android version 5 times. Now, find the developer options. The developer options must always on. Then, find the for CLO apps on external. Turn on and that's all. If you want to keep it, just don't turn off the developer options. Here's my other video. Thank you for watching.